Hi, this is Steve Walton from Tropic Heating and PatioHeat.com. Today we're going to take a look at this patio cover here. First of all, the customer said he's going to have a TV set over here in this outside edge. And basically the seating area is just going to be on this side here, I believe, possibly some over here. Next to this bench seating over here. I'm not quite sure if that's true or not, but another part of the application, he said he will have a fan in the center of this room, and another portion that I need to kind of look at is the fact that there's these blocks here separating these beams going across, keeping them parallel, and that might need to be altered in order to accomplish what I'm hoping to be able to offer here. So let me just turn off this ray here for a second. So first of all, let's just go ahead and look at what I'm proposing here. And I'm proposing to put a 4,000 watt SlimLine unit in here. Let's just go ahead and go right to the dimensions real quickly. With the SlimLine, my main concern is the distance between these beams. I don't have the true dimension, but with a SlimLine you have to have 6 inches of clearance from edge of heater to edge of beam. And with what I show so far, I have 5 1/4 and 6 on one side, so that is not going to be acceptable. But if it's possible to move one beam just a fraction of an inch over so we can accommodate that 6 inches, that would work out great. So I'm not sure if that's true or not, but here's another, the gap opening I have between these two beams here are 1 foot 4 inches. If that's not true, maybe it's 1 foot 6 inches. I don't know that information at this point. So, and that's why I chose the SlimLine as opposed to the W series. The SlimLine has a 5-inch face to it, so it's a little bit slimmer than the 8-inch on the W series, and it would fit in there nicely. Now, the SlimLine uses this channel to mount to the OEM mounting brackets. I left the mounting brackets off here. The channel would have to be utilized differently, maybe using components of the OEM bracket and then placing some type of small piece of angled steel across these two, forward and backwards, so that we can accommodate hanging the heater there. So overall, let's just go ahead and look at the rest of the dimensions. I have a 14 foot by 10 foot. These posts are roughly 7 feet apart. My main height of the heater itself is going to be 9 feet off the ground. So this bottom post here is at 8.6. Sorry, we have a plane going by here. And so yeah, let's go ahead and put this ray back on. You can see that I'm getting the full 10-foot throw here with a 4,000 watt unit, and here I'm getting about a 7-foot throw here. So that would give us pretty good coverage for just this space here. Now, I know that the customer wanted a little bit closer to this edge here, I believe. So if we had to, we could definitely move this particular unit, from here to this spot here. But then we get this greater gap between, and I don't want to push this heater anywhere closer to the TV set area. And again, this heater here just might be deleted. I'm not quite sure of that. So now, with those blocks that go between these beams here, then we would definitely need to change the positioning of the blocks so that we have clearance on this end and nothing in the middle here. So it's something the customer will have to decide on that. But as you can see with the just a single unit, we're not getting a great amount of coverage, but in this particular case, this might be just perfect for what this customer is looking for. And yeah, it might just be the right application here for a SlimLine. All right, well, thank you for taking the time to look at this video. And if you're looking for your own personal drawing or application suggestions, feel free to give us a call. I'm Steve Walton at Tropic Heating and PatioHeat.com. Thank you and have a great day.